Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to install fonts in Windows 11. And let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop I just want to install the font. So the new font I want to install in my laptop or desktop, what I have to do here? First and foremost, you need to know where is the font will be stored in your laptop. So just go to start menu and just go to control panel. Once you click a control panel, there will be a search option over there. So just type font. Once you type a font, the font will be open here. So just click your view installed font. So these are the fonts which is installed and predefined in your Windows 11. So if you want more fonts to be installed, to more styles, and need to have your Word or Excel or any types of software, you need to install the font. What you have to do here, so just go to Google Chrome and just type Google font. So this is a free applications and free website. You can browse the font, you can install the font. So here there will be a Google font over here. So just to search here, so you will find a professional fonts and cursive writing, everything will be there. You can select and download and install. For example, I just want to have a cursive write type of font, I can able to download and install. So if you know the font name, you can search the font name and get back to you, so to get all type of things. So if you want to download the icon, the icons will be available, so you can download for the free things. So what you have to do here, so just go to font option. So in your font.google.com, so for example, I just want to download this font. So this is called Borel. So this is the font I just want to click here. So Borel font will be there. So if you want to see the style of your preview, for example, I just want to see the preview, so I just type here welcome to HowXT. So this is what my font will be look. So you can able to identify and check whether your text will be construction will be set for your font. Yes, so I love this font. So this is a common fonts word style for the bold, italic, and all type of things. So I would like to download this font. What I have to do here, so on your right hand side you will find option called download font family. So just click here download font family. So automatically your font will be downloaded without any other types of payment. So this is purely free from the Google Fonts. So this is a font I have downloaded. Just click that, automatically the font will be open here. So this is the font. So two fonts type. So if you want to install the font in your Windows 11, so this is the font name. Just double click on that, automatically it will open like a pop-up window. So you can install the font using this button. Just hit the button, automatically your font will be installed in your laptop. So now you can check it out from your folder, so you can able to identify what are the fonts installed in your laptop or desktop. Just click here to check and finalize your font. So search the font here. So you just refresh the things and you can able to see your fonts, that is Borel font. So once I type means the Borel font is installed successfully in my laptop, as you see. So this is the verification. So now you can go into the Word or Excel or any types of software, just type Word and you can type the font name, means automatically the font will be fixed in your laptop. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.